It's a cool one. There's a duck boat.
Carrier.
Look at all of these cool new Matchbox cars.
I like all of these.
Yeah, they're from a new case, huh? Which ones are your favorite?
These.
This one. Give me your favorites. Let's go through your favorites first.
I like the
Alright, so there's a cool
That's a cool
turf hauler Colossus dump truck.
That's a cool
It's a red one.
mining dump truck. And then the next one is this one.
I like the duck boat.
I like the duck boat
It's called
all the time.
It's called Duk-Duk. You like it all the time. I like it sometimes.
I like it.
I like it today.
I like it when it's called Duk-Duk.
It's got triple axles. Huh? 6 wheels. That's JJ's favorite. What kind of truck is this one? Wait, they show it. This is called a Hellcat, and it's got track wheels. And I don't know what this is. Looks kind of weird.
I think that's a snow vehicle.
Oh, Arctic Rescue right here, huh?
I guess that's a snow vehicle.
Yes.
I think that rescues penguins.
Yeah, it rescues penguins. And then what else is the coolest one?
This one.
This one? Okay, this is some kind of crane. The all-terrain crane. So this crane goes anywhere. Cool. So these are some of the best vehicles.
Mud too.
Mud. And then what else are the next best ones?
This one too.
Oops. This one? What is this?
I think this one looks weird to me.
Yeah.
I think this one
It's got a lot of plastic stuff on top. It's called the Sahara Survivor. So I think this is for like just exploring the desert. It's got a cage, a roll cage.
Look at these three.
Big
I like
tires.
the tractor the most.
You like the tractor the most?
I like the tractor of all of these.
This is called the Tractor King. I like the color on this one. I think we have another tractor. And it's got a hitch.
I like that this one has a cab.
And it's got a nice color. I like the black and orange.
I like these guys.
So these are good ones. Oops, for sure that we're gonna get. And then let's see which ones are the next. You know, this is a unique one.
This one I like the most.
Because it's got like a.
I like this road roller vehicle.
Yeah, but wait. This one has like a spoiler on the back. It's got like a weird
this one has
opening.
A roller on the front.
It's called the Ridge Raider.
Gravel and dirt and sand.
Oh, this is a racing. It's weird.
Off-road racer.
Off-road racing, but this got like an opening in the top where people can fall out. Woo!
Where people can put their flags on.
Yeah. And this is the road roller. You already have a road roller though, a gray and white one, I think. This one is a blue.
This one has a different wheel.
Is the wheel different?
Yeah.
Really? You promise?
Yeah.
We'll take a look and we'll compare.
That looks different.
I'm gonna let you. You mean the wheel, the paint is different, or the tire is different?
The color is different.
Oh, just the color.
Yeah.
I know.
I'm gonna get these two.
What did Mama find? Ooh, Mama found some pretty cars.
I like this one.
You like the top one? Oh, the Maserati and the Volkswagen pickup.
I like this one.
Here you go, Mama. Jane, what else up here? This is kind of cool Yokohama Baja Bandit Baja truck. Awesome.
Look at this
And it's got a 4X Force Jeep thing.
Give Mama the one you're gonna get.
Aqua King water truck. We have a green one of these. And a meter maid police.
What's a meter maid police?
They give you tickets if you don't pay the parking.
That I got a bunch of.
So I think we'll only get one more from here. What would it be?
I guess the road roller.
Oh, I guess no. All right, here you go.
But we already have a road roller.
It's different though, Mama.
Kind of like the glass one.
Yeah.
The glass one is hard to find.
Pretty cool. All right, here we have the MBX turf hauler. It's a mining dump truck, and we're gonna open this up. JJ, can you open this up for me, please?
Well, okay.
All right, then I'll open it up.
I'll open it. You can also do at the corners.
Just peel it off. There you go. Alright, so show me me how. Oh, it's got the dumper.
I
Dumper
think
works fine.
I think this is my new dump truck.
This is your newest dump truck, and well, the top part is plastic, but the body is a nice die-cast with a nice red paint on it. And we'll compare this with the Tonka dump truck, which is kind of similar, but the Tonka one's bigger. The Tonka one actually has a metal dumper. But
In the middle.
they're both mining dump trucks. They look pretty cool.
And the dumper is same color.
I like this version.
Okay, I made a tank.
Alright, time to go mining the mountains. Alright, now let's open this duck boat called Duk-Duk.
What did they call it Duk-Duk?
To be funny.
It sounds like Ducky. Or
That's another good name, is Ducky.
what I like to say is whip it. That's what I like to say.
Wow. So tell me about this cool vehicle.
It has this exhaust right here, and it also has a
Like smoke
propeller.
set. Oh, a propeller, yeah. What else?
It even has windows and a front that looks like a boat. That's why it's called.
You can even see the seats inside the windows.
I can see the.
Is there actual window or is it just an open? So there's no actual window, it's just an opening. Which I think is how it is on a duck boat. They don't have windows, maybe so people can escape.
It's over.
It says El Segundo because there's a lake in El Segundo. There's no lake. Oh, it is near the ocean. Next, we're gonna open this Hellcat vehicle, Arctic Rescue. Let's open her up.
No, Dad, we got to do another video.
All right, look at me. I'm going to be the glass truck that keeps falling down. Who are you gonna be?
These two, duck boat and the new dump truck.
All right. What?
It's still in good condition.
All right. So we opened it, and we'll look at it in a second. Here's the Arctic Rescue. It's got some translucent blue pieces. It's a green vehicle. It's got track wheels here, but actually it doesn't have really track wheels. It's got little tiny wheels on here. And it's a cool looking unique vehicle. I wonder if this is based off of anything in real life. No. Here it is. Welcome to Family Toy Review.
Welcome
Today-
to Matchbox Toy Review.
Yeah, welcome to Matchbox Toy Review. Today we got some new vehicles.